Today, I will be teaching you all how to play Solitaire. And I know what you might be thinking. Solitaire is a game for old ladies, or it's a prison game, or even why would I want to play a card game by myself? Well, today I'm here to teach you how to play Solitaire and show you that it is a game for people of all ages. Firstly, I will go over the materials and game layout, the rules and how to play, and finally, the benefits of playing Solitaire. There are two ways to play Solitaire, either physically with a deck of cards or online on a computer. To play physically, like I will be demonstrating today, you will need a flat surface and a deck of cards. To play online, you will just need a computer, and most computers have software built into them that have the game Solitaire. And if not, you can Google just Solitaire, and there are many websites that you can play it on as well. Now, firstly, for the layout of your cards, what you'll need to do before putting any cards down is shuffle. You'll want to shuffle to produce a different game every time, especially if you've used the cards to play Solitaire already, because they would be in a specific order. So to make sure it is completely randomized, you'll want to shuffle. And after you've shuffled, you will put down one card facing up and one card facing down, and then another facing up on top, like this. And you'll want to make columns like this with the cards facing down going down in number. You'll be placing cards down until you have 7 columns of many cards. And now for some rules. There's a specific order in which on the playing columns that the cards go down. Firstly is king, and then a queen, and jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Aces never go on these columns because they're in their respective ace piles for the cards that are of their color and suit to be placed on while playing. Another important thing is that cards must be placed with varying colors in the playing columns, from black and red and so on, or red and black and so on. And now, to actually play the game, you'll need to have your game set up like this. And the first thing we do, since this is an example of an easy game of Solitaire, is put your aces in their piles to make sure you have them to put your cards in. And after a card is picked up, a facing up card is picked up from a playing column, the card underneath it is exposed. And you'll want to get all of these cards exposed to be able to win the game and put them all in their respective ace piles. As an example for the placement of cards, I have a black king, red queen, and black jack next to it because when the queen was put on the king, it revealed the jack. And you'll want to stack them like so. And after you have all of the cards revealed and put into their respective ace piles, you will win the game. And online, when you play it, it often shows a graphic similar to this. And now finally, for the benefits of playing Solitaire. According to solitaire365.com, some benefits of playing are: it soothes the mind, it's entertaining, and it improves mental skills. And it does this because it keeps your brain engaged as you're playing. You have to problem solve to be able to put the cards down, and it also you builds a competitive spirit within yourself and not one with anybody else. And it's a lot more beneficial than playing a game that is relatively mindless, that is a few motions over and over. For example, Subway Surfers. Most games like this are on your phone and you want to play them during a break while doing homework. But playing Solitaire during your break would keep your mind active instead of a game like this. To recap all that I've told you today, I've taught you how to play Solitaire, the materials needed to do so, and the benefits of playing. I hope you all realize that Solitaire is a fun game for people of all ages, and thank you.